What's up, beautiful people? My name is Ezra Mucha, the graphic designer in Ezra Graphics. Here today, we're gonna learn 5 basics principles of graphic designing. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and let's learn. So, guys, here we come. Let's learn these 5 basics principles of graphic designing. Number 1, having a creative mind. And you know, everything you design needs creativity. And to achieve your desired goal, you need to have a creative mind. So that's something basic. It's a principle every designer needs to press on to greater heights in graphic design. You need to have that principle so that you can press on to greater heights. You see, bringing creative ideas on the table is not enough. Having that mindset of being creative will take you far and upgrade and boost your profession in graphic designing. It can shoot your profession drastically, I'm telling you. Number 2, positive attitude in your designs. Many times people tend to ignore the work given in designing with unnecessary needs or moods, you see, as they're producing the results. Attitude is one of the key principles in every activity you do. It enables you to do something right or something wrong. So if you have a positive attitude in every design you make, it enables you to have a greater chance in doing perfect work in your designs. This will boost up your perfection in your designs. So having a great positive attitude in every time when you create your designs will give you a boost in your perfection in good results. Number 3, have a schedule of time. You need to schedule how you design your graphics. If you don't have a schedule of time, you know how you're going to design your graphics, you're going to lose the game, I'm telling you. Having a schedule of time will give you ample time to know what to design in the correct time. If you say, today I'm going to use 3 hours to design. So I have 3 designs, each hour I'm going to design 1 design. So you need to sample up your time. See, schedule. Today I'm going to do 3 hours, 3 designs, and that's it. So if you don't have a plan, you don't have a schedule of time, I'm telling you, you're going to miss the game. So having a schedule of time is a key principle in your designing. Number 4, consider your audience. You need to know which audience you're targeting. Which people do you want these designs to go to? If it's a company, if it's a personal brand, if it's maybe small businesses, if it's an influencer or blogger, you need to know the audience you're targeting to. So you don't just create designs because you want to make money or you want to explore skills, but you need to target these designs as specific for these categories, this audience, and this will make everything you do run smoothly. Like your designs will run smoothly, you'll be able to create your designs in time, be able to deliver your designs in the right audience. Number 5. That's the last thing that I want to talk about. And that is the most important principles you need to have. Tracking your progress. If you're going to not track your progress, I'm telling you, you're going to lose the game. Track your progress in every design you take. From the beginner's time where you reach and where the levels you've grown, you need to track your progress. Track everything you do. You see? Track the designs you make, how many designs you make per day, per week, per month. Track all the designs. Track how many reviews you've gotten after selling your designs to people. Track every progress, because when you don't track your progress, you'll not know where to boost up your profession, you'll not know where to upgrade your skills. And that is a common thing that many designers lose when they try to boost up their profession. So when you get these 5 basic principles of graphic designing, you're good to go. Even if you start from a beginner, starting with the form, you're good to go. You're good to know greater stuff. So for more of this, hit the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, and continue to learn more and skill upgraded skills in graphic designing. See you in the next one.